This is the sound coming from DJI Mic Mini 2, DJI Mic Mini 2S, Mic 3 with. Hello. This is the sound coming from DJI Mic Mini 2 without active noise cancellation on. This is the sound coming from DJI Mic Mini 2S without active noise cancellation. This is the sound coming from DJI Mic Mini 2 with basic noise reduction. And this is the sound coming from DJI Mic Mini 2S with basic sound reduction. This is the sound coming from DJI Mic Mini 2 with strong noise reduction. And this is the sound coming from DJI Mic Mini 2S with strong noise reduction. Oh, time for the big boy. This is the sound coming from DJI Mic 3 without noise reduction. Now this is the sound coming from DJI Mic 3 with basic noise reduction. And this is the sound coming from DJI Mic 3 with strong noise reduction on. So let's talk about the price. Here is detailed graph I made for you guys. You can pause video and read it by yourself in order to understand why prices vary. So if you want the cheapest possible mic, the original Mic Mini still makes sense. Its retail price in China is all about 443 RMB, which is roughly 66 US dollars. If you are a beginner content creator, record mainly with your phone, or want a balance between sound, size and price, I think Mic Mini 2 is the sweet spot. Its retail price is 599 RMB, which is roughly 89 US dollars. If you need additional flexibility and don't mind spending more, consider the Mic Mini 2S. Its retail price is 1199 RMB, which is roughly 178 USD. And if content creation is professional work for you and you want absolute best and premium features like 32-bit float or internal recording or maybe a Connect 4 transmitters, then I think Mic Mini 3 is the strongest option. Its retail price is 2078 RMB, which is roughly 309 US dollars. So the box right now I'm holding is my DJI Mic Mini 2. And why I bought this? There were some considerations I would have considered. First of all, comfort and size. Well, sound quality is really important while choosing the microphone, but well, size also does matters. So for example, I'm a solo creator. When I'm recording a video and I'm clipping the microphone on my shirt, so this is less distracting and convenient. Well, second consideration is connection and workflow. Most of the time I'm recording my video on the smartphones or on my iPad. So connecting these tiny things with my iPad and my cell phone is really easy, and I can record. I don't need to, all the time check the settings. That either I just use the receivers with my iPad and with my iPhone, and I'm ready to go, ready to record any kind of audio. For example, if I'm recording my medical lectures or if I'm recording the video for YouTube, so it's super easy for me. And the most important consideration is features versus actual need. The Mic Mini 2S and Mic Mini 3 give you extra features like 32-bit float audio and internal recording. So for mic workflow, I actually don't need them, because, and I told you guys that I record videos indoor controlled environment in my studio or in my room. Even if I'm recording my medical lecture, I can stop it and record again. So for those kind of extra features, the double the price is not justifiable for me. That's why I bought my Mic Mini 2. So what's my final verdict? Why I choose DJI Mic Mini 2 and why you should be choosing any kind of microphone according to your needs? Well, shopping any kind of gadget, it entirely depends on for what purposes you're gonna use that gadget. So choose DJI Mic Mini 1 or 2 if you are a solo content creator and you don't mind retaking the shots. Choose DJI Mic Mini 2S or 3 if you are any kind of event planner, or you have to record on weddings, or you are recording podcast or taking interviews and you can't retake the shot. Then I think the paying for extra features are worth it. For me, this works. And honestly, if you listen the audio of all of these microphones, for normal person it's really difficult to identify which audio is from which microphone. That's it for all, guys. I hope you liked the video. Please do thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.